Well, I got quite a bit of news. We have a winner to announce, and breakfast is coming up.
This video is sponsored by Cruiseman's Garage Honda Goldwing Maintenance Video Series.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Cruiseman's Garage. Today I'm out in the garage and I'm just going to update you on some of the stuff going on around here and let you know the latest news. First of all, I have a brand new website, cruisemansgarage.com. Same domain, but a whole new design website. Just to give you a quick background, I originally was using a company called Weebly for my website, and now I've switched over to Squarespace. So hopefully you like the new design. Unless you are interested in my maintenance videos, or maybe you're looking for some of the deals that we have or want to register for the newsletter, you probably don't ever go to my website. But if you do, you want some information on the maintenance videos, it's all out there. And you can also check out the deals that we have with different companies, vendors that I've been able to negotiate some discounts with. So check it out, cruisemansgarage.com. Please let me know what you think of the new design of the website. I'm hoping it's a little bit more professional, a little bit more upscale, you know, to represent someone like me. You know, it needs to be really, really classy, right? Okay. Second news item is this coming Sunday, is the first Sunday of the month. And right now it is the first Sunday of September, depends on when you're watching this. And we are having our breakfast. We have breakfast first Sunday of every month. You guys that live in the area, or if you're in from out of town, you're welcome to join us. If you're in the DFW area, we're in Carrollton, Texas at Awake at 7 a.m. on Sunday morning. So we'll be there this Sunday. So please come out and join us. If it's good weather, ride your bike. We don't care what kind of bike you ride. You could ride a Honda, a Goldwing, a Harley. It really doesn't matter to us. Just come out for the fellowship, have some coffee, breakfast, whatever. Good conversation, good fellowship, you know, the old thing. And that's this coming Sunday. So be there. The next thing, we have a winner of the PathfinderLED Sequential Turn Signals. We finally have a winner. I drew a name a little over a week ago. I contacted the person 5 or 6 times. I never heard back from them. When I select a winner, I don't select it. It's basically selected at random using some software. But when a winner is selected, I contact them by email, and I give them 7 days to respond to the email to let me know they accept the prize and, you know, shipping information and all that. Well, I never heard from the winner, so yesterday we selected a new winning name, email address. I contacted them, and I can now confirm that Steve Byland from Manuka, Illinois. Congratulations, Steve. You are the winner of the PathfinderLED Sequential Turn Signals. And in fact, those turn signals they've already been shipped and they're on their way to. He selected the clear lens models. So Steve, congratulations. Other news real quick. We have had beautiful weather here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. The mornings have been in the 70s. That's Fahrenheit for those of you that live overseas. But it really has been incredible getting some good riding in. I'm looking at doing another ride tomorrow. So anyway, very, very nice weather, and we're really enjoying that. I still have some stuff for sale that I need to get rid of. I'm trying to make room around here. Just like, I think a week ago I sold, what did I sell? I sold something to somebody. Oh, the Gold Strike. I think I told you about it in Crown and Comments. I had the Gold Strike Power Bar and sold it. He received it, loves it apparently. I got more stuff. You got to help me get rid of the stuff. If any of you are interested in this, I'm going to make you an incredible deal. Okay? First of all, I've got a PathfinderLED Sequential Turn Signals. Now, these are not brand new. They look like brand new because these came off my 2018 Honda Goldwing. These are the first generation of the sequential turn signals. I have the second generation on my 2024 Goldwing in the smoke lens. These are the clear lens. And there's really no difference between this generation and the new, other than they claim the new generation are a little bit brighter. But it is almost hard to tell. Anyway, I have a set of these. If anybody's interested, they're yours for $70. That includes shipping. I'll ship anywhere in the continental United States. $70. If you're interested, let me know in the comments down below. I only go with the first person. The first person to put a comment in that wants these, we'll communicate. You can also go to info@cruisemansgarage.com. I only accept PayPal, and I'll ship those out to you. Okay, next, some of you may have seen my review of the Akaso 360 camera. Well, here it is, brand new in the box. I mean, brand new. I did take it out and test it and review it. But I already have a 360-degree camera. I've already got an Insta360, and I've got another Insta360 on the way as soon as they ship it to me. So I really don't need three 360-degree cameras. In fact, I may even be selling my other Insta360 X3 when my new Insta360 X5 comes in. But anyway, if you've seen my review of the Akaso 360, really nice camera. I think it sells for $199. I've also got the selfie stick and the tripod that go with it. I don't know what they charge for these, probably 20 or 30 bucks, I'm not sure. And they also sent me something else I did not review, and that is this universal tube clamp. And this you could clamp this to any other kind of handlebars, or if you used it for a bicycle or something. I did not review this, but I'm going to throw that in too. I don't know what they sell that for. In fact, I haven't even, well, yeah, I did break the seal on it. I did look at it. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to sell all of that, the Akaso camera, the selfie stick, the tripod, and the tube clamp for $125. I'll ship it out to you. I'll include shipping. Anywhere in the continental United States. Let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in this, and we'll get it out to you. The last thing, some of you may have know, especially if you're one of my members, because I think I did a video for my members. I got the new Insta360 Go Ultra, which means I no longer need my Insta360 Go 3. Now this is the one that has the little bitty camera. It comes with a pendant magnetic. You can stick it to your shirt for POV shots. You can clip it to your cap. I've got this. I also have a case that's going to come with it. So I'm including the carrying case. I think the cases are like $30 or $40. These on eBay used are going for about $259. I don't know about the cases, but it comes with all kinds of accessories. It's a 64 gigabyte model. It has 64 gigabytes of RAM built into the camera. And they're really neat little cameras. So if you're interested in the Insta360 Go 3, I'm going to sell this with the carrying case and all my accessories for $250. That's shipped to you. So let me know in the comments down below if you're interested. Like I say, first come, first serve. I know it sounds like I'm always trying to sell you crap, but I just need to get rid of this stuff. So the next video you see, I'm going to be reviewing this bug slide, which is a kind of a detailing product. You can use it like to clean your windshield, to clean your bike. It also puts down a protective layer. So we're going to talk more about this in a future video, and I'm working on a deal where maybe I can save you some money, get you a discount on this too. Assuming I like it. I haven't really done much testing yet. I'm still testing. I'm also testing it on our car because you can use it on anything. Okay, guys, that's it. For most of you, I'll see you on Sunday. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. Breakfast this coming Sunday at a wake in Carrollton. I'll put the address in the description of this video if you are interested in joining us. So anyway, thanks for joining me today. I'll look forward to seeing you on the next Cruiseman's Garage. Don't forget your anniversary merchandise at shop.cruisemansgarage.com. It's going fast. I'm not sure how much longer we're going to have the anniversary stuff out there, so you might want to get it now. Okay, thanks for joining me. I'll see you soon. You guys ride often, but ride safe.